Hi, dear fans and followers. Today I'm gonna sharing experiments about lithium-ion battery. If you have a lithium-ion battery, an old-state lithium-ion battery, you can repair it at home. A simple process. First of all, you have to check it out. Is it good or bad? If you want to check it out, you can using multimeter or normal LED light, or also you can use voltmeter, DC voltmeter. Now I'm testing lithium ion battery by the LED. So let's go check it out. Now I'm checking the battery by the using LED. First of all, you have to know what is now testing. I'm testing. It's minus side. It's plus side. Red were plus, and I got the second on where it's take negative side. Okay, now I'm testing. First of all, I have to connect where negative battery negative terminal, and then I have to connect positive terminal. And how we see that? We see that LED not up and cause battery has date, and we have to repair it for again uses the battery. So we have to take the next step, and it's proved that it's date and old battery. If you want to repair it as at home, simple process. You have to need some products to repair it. You have to fix. If you want, you can connect the wire with the battery negative terminal and positive terminal. Now I'm finishing the connected wire in the battery terminal, and then we have to set up the bolt in front of battery positive terminal, and then I have to force by the this product, right now and force the battery plus terminal. If the battery will be got by the force, if you will see the LED light is open. Now I'm force the battery. Look look at the LED light. Now lithium ion battery. Finally we're repairing totally repairing lithium ion battery by the force. If you want, you can using the process to repair old and date lithium ion battery. So if you like the video, you can subscribe here and follow, likes and comments your opinions. Thanks for watching.